Grandpa, tell me a story.
Oh, it's you, Billy.
Tell me a story from the days you were young and strong and so handsome.
Oh, yeah.
No one likes a kiss ass, Billy.
Come on, tell me a story, Grandpa.
Alright, come here, you little Let me tell you a poorly drawn and a mediocre joke story. So if you by any chance think that I was this cute, harmless child who loves rainbows and sunny days, you're wrong. About the harmless part, I do love rainbows and sunny days, and I was adorable. But I was an evil piece of shit. And one of the things that I did do a lot of was stealing. I was out here plotting plans before kids in my neighborhood even knew how cuss words work. And one of the things that I was stealing non-stop of was chips. And the reason for it was simple. Russian parents. You see, Russian parents will always tell you we have food at home. This sentence right here, pretty sure Russian parents came up with that. So I had this kid I knew who wanted to eat some chips, but his parents never bought him some. So I decided to help him and steal some chips for him. Now does that make me a bad kid? Probably, cause the kid was me. Now before I tell this story, I have to put this disclaimer here. Stealing is bad, don't do it. It's a shitty thing to do, and I would have never done it if I was a little bit smarter. Happy? Sick. Now let me tell you how I stole so much. So near my house there was this huge supermarket, and within it is a glorious heaven of snacks and sweets, and so little security. Every little F-Life dude's dream. But because they knew there was a little thief around, they were checking receipts. They were taking precautions. By the way, this was before cameras were installed everywhere, so I had an advantage. But to perform such a task, I needed help, so I decided to build my squad, my team, my boys. And I wanted this squad to consist of strong, smart, fucking diabolical people. Yeah, don't judge. So let me go through the team. Kyle, the new kid with a weird accent from some weird country no one ever heard of. Specialty, makes people uncomfortable. Hello? You here work? The fuck did he just say? Nathan, the drama kid. Specialty? I don't know. The kid I was looking for was Dennis, but his grandma passed away, so I got Nathan. And last but not least, Dan. So part 1, assembling the team, complete. Step 2, the plan. So after brainstorming for the whole 10.5 minutes, I got it, the perfect plan. Now it's only a question of everyone pulling their weight. Are you ready to do this, boys? Yeah, let's do this. But what if we get caught? Oh, for fuck being a little girl. You bitch, man. Hey. How you doing? Thank you so much for watching part 1. Part 2 will come someday. In the meantime, here's a picture of a dog.